Good morning, traders. This is Rick Majors here at Opteck.com. Welcome to today's daily market briefing. May 27th, a bright and sunshining Tuesday here in the market as things start to pick up from yesterday where we did not really have a lot going on. We had only really one major thing that we talked about, which was the ECB President Draghi's speech. And what came out of that was relatively useless. They basically, reiterated a lot of the same things they were supposed to. There was not a lot of surprises there, and they put a lot of stress on the fact of what they're going to be doing in June and saying, "Don't worry, things are going to pick up. You have nothing to be afraid of. The euro is going to be stronger. We're going to have a much more stable international economy throughout the eurozone." I don't see it really happening that way, but I've got my hopes up. All right, the speech did actually get my hopes up because they did talk about a lot of things that are realistic. They're not making really, exaggerated gestures towards, we're going to do this and maybe do that. It's not like a presidential campaign or something like that. The guy was simply saying, look, this is the situation, this is what we can do with it, and this is what we're planning on doing with it. And it was sensible. I just don't think with the diversity that you have in the Eurozone, it may be entirely possible. Now let's talk a little bit about today. We have core durable goods orders coming out at 1:30 p.m. GMT. Now, this one's expected to drop. We're actually probably going to be seeing some negative results on the overall in the U.S. dollar market today, as consumer confidence also is slated to go down. We're looking for surprises, though. A lot of really good rumor information so far has been circulating around the U.S. in terms of it picking up for the summer, especially. The only thing that has been of concern lately is there has been kind of dry spells in the Midwest area of the United States. If you're watching the weather, this is going to be hurting crops right now. It's actually good for this current moment for the end of this month because farmers are purchasing a lot more seed and rushing towards planting. But over the summer, this might cause a larger drop in commodity availability. In other words, there will be no supply, but there will be demand driving prices up. And economic troubles like this will hurt the dollar. And we have another speech at 2:30 by President Draghi. It's going to be a continuation from yesterday, talking a little bit more about what's going to be happening in June, what the current situation is looking to improve, and what needs to be done in order to get it all taken care of. Keep an eye on this. This is going to be a very important speech, I think, and it's going to be really driving a lot of either confidence or fear into the market. Now, basically, looking down towards the rest of the week as well, we're not seeing a lot of major events happening here. And then on Thursday, again, we're seeing that the euro is going to be completely offline with a French bank holiday and a German bank holiday, and the Swiss franc itself is going to be off. So we have several different things here that we're going to want to be focusing on. On the overall, unemployment claims are slated to go down, so end of the week boost, so we can end the month off on a positive note for the U.S. dollar. Then looking around at the prelim GDP as well, set to go down a little bit. Let's see how that turns out first. I haven't gotten too much information here. Remember, you can always open the little folders on the right-hand side of the announcement, get some extra articles in there that will give you much more insight into what could possibly be the most likely outcome of each and every one of these market events. All right, we've got a lot of stuff coming out in the Japanese market on Friday as well. Keep an eye on this stuff, guys. The Japanese yen is a volatile asset. It's great for trading, especially for you guys as binary traders. It's going to be something really worth taking the time to keep an eye on and use to your advantage to make money off of these trades. All right, then Friday again, and just a whole slew of personal income, personal spendings. We've got consumer sentiment again. There's a whole lot of things here, and as you can see, actually, the revised consumer sentiment down here is slated to come out possibly even a lot better. So we're going to be seeing exactly how that plays out over the next couple of days. Right now, dollar's probably going to take a hit today, but pull up during the rest of the week. Euro, once this speech comes out, we're going to know a lot more, but I'm saying it's going to continue going down. I don't think with the Ukraine and what tensions heating up there again. By the way, the presidential candidate in Ukraine recently started to lock horns with Russia on the fact that he's going to be taking a very tough stance on controlling the separatists and the rebels that are in the eastern part of the country. This is causing tensions to flare again. You can see oil's up. Gold is trading at a low right now. this is something that is going to cause trouble for the Eurozone just as much as anything else, because all the same, Ukraine provides Euro with a lot of food. If they go under, so does Europe as a whole. All right, guys, that's about all I have for today. Thanks for coming in and listening to my daily market briefing. My name is Rick Majors. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom of the video, and stay tuned with us Monday through Thursday at 9 a.m. GMT. If you have any further questions or comments, you can write them down in the comment section below on YouTube, or if you're watching from the Opteck trading website, you're more than welcome to contact me at rick.majors.opteck by Skype or rick.majors@opteck.com. Thanks a lot, guys, and as usual, have a happy trading day.